In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a donut chart in Microsoft Excel. A donut chart is very similar to a pie chart, but instead of being completely filled in, it has a hole in the center. This makes it a useful option when you want to show how each category contributes to a whole, while also giving the chart a cleaner and slightly more modern look. It's especially helpful for simple comparisons, where you want your data to be easy to understand at a glance. To get started, enter your data into an Excel worksheet. Make sure your information is organized clearly with one column for the category names and another column for the values. Keeping your data neat at this stage is important because Excel uses exactly what you provide to build the chart. Once your data is in place, the next step is to select it. Highlight the full data range that you want to include in the chart, and be sure to include the column headings as well. Those headings help Excel understand what each part of the data represents, and they can also improve how the chart is labeled later on. If you skip the headings, the chart may still work, but it won't be as informative or as polished. After selecting the data, go to the Insert tab at the top of the Excel window. This tab contains the tools for adding visual elements like charts, tables, and other objects to your worksheet. In the Charts group, click the option labeled Insert Pie or Donut Chart. A small menu will appear with chart choices. From that menu, choose Donut. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically generate the chart for you based on the data you selected. This is one of the quickest ways to turn a simple table into a visual summary that's easier to present and interpret. Once the chart appears, you can move on to customizing it. Customization is where you make the chart more readable and better suited to your audience. Even small visual adjustments can make a big difference in how professional the final result looks. Take a moment to review the chart and make sure the proportions look correct and the categories are represented clearly. That's the full process for creating a donut chart in Microsoft Excel. Start by entering your data. Select the complete range including headings. Go to the Insert tab, choose Insert Pie or Donut Chart, and then select Donut to have Excel create it automatically. From there, you can customize the chart to fit your needs and make your data presentation more effective.